Life becomes meaningful when you start building it with intention. You don't need everything at once, but you do need a few strong pillars: family, friends, health, learning, and a sense of direction. Without them, life easily turns into chaos and emptiness. That's why the first real step to success is clarity. Knowing what kind of person you want to become. Not what others expect you to be, but who you truly want to be. Once that vision becomes clear, every bit of knowledge and every action starts building that person. Your life begins to align like pieces of a puzzle finally fitting together. But here's the truth: most people never set real goals because they're afraid to fail. If you never define your target, you can't miss it. And that's how many people live: vague, unclear, safe. But that safety costs everything. You can go years pretending not to fail until one day you wake up and realize your life hasn't moved forward at all. So, define what success looks like for you. Decide what would make your life worth living, even with the struggles, fear, and responsibility that come with it. Because a dream without a direction is just a wish, and a life without intention becomes repetition. Once your vision is set, break it down into days. That's where real progress begins. Make a schedule, not a prison, but a plan for the life you actually want. Mix your duties with joy. Work, create, rest, learn. Plan your day like someone you care about. Because when you respect your own time, you respect your future. Even if you stick to your plan only 60% of the time, you'll be far ahead of where you are now. Small progress daily is better than zero progress perfectly planned. Remember, consistency beats intensity. It's not what you do once, it's what you do every day that builds the person you become. Time is your most valuable resource. Every wasted hour is a piece of your life you'll never get back. If your time is worth even 1000 rupees an hour, imagine what 5 or 6 wasted hours daily cost you in a year, not just in money, but in potential. Every moment counts. Don't live in avoidance or laziness. Don't let fear of responsibility make you weaker. Every time you face what you fear, you become stronger. You start seeing that your growth doesn't just change your life, it lifts everyone connected to you. Because growth is never selfish, it inspires, it radiates, it multiplies. You are not just one person in the crowd. You're the center of a network that spreads far beyond what you see. Your actions ripple through your family, your friends, and the world. When you decide to rise, you give others permission to rise too. So start now. Build your days with purpose. Live with structure. Take control of your time, your habits, and your direction. Because when you finally stop wasting your life, you start living it. And when you live with intention, every morning becomes meaningful, every effort becomes progress, and every day becomes a step closer to the life you were meant to create. If this message inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly motivation, and share this with someone who needs to hear it today. Because when we grow together, the world becomes stronger, brighter, and more alive with purpose.